Right, so here we go. This is, if we rotate this, then, don't know if you can see, that just snapped to Beijing. Bunch of code starts doing stuff, and with a bit of luck, we should start hearing. So yeah, that's it starting to play, but this is still a little bit slow, and is also, it's taken us probably 2.5, 3 hours debugging it with someone who's much more expert at Raspberry Pi than me. And it seems that a lot of it comes down to this, which is Raspberry Pi 4, which is unbelievably good in many, many, many ways, but does seem to have known issues in the forums and most places that you care to look online with audio. So it's a known bug fix, and this isn't a criticism of Raspberry Pi, this is just saying this is the natural journey of things that are released and are iterated upon. So it does mean that the Raspberry Pi 4 will definitely be more powerful, and if we can figure out a way to get all the bugs ironed out, terrific. But if not, there's also probably a case for using the Raspberry Pi 3, which is the previous one, as the audio issues are, considerably more, resolved, and no one really has many complaints about the recent iteration of the hardware and software compatibility. So that's where we stand. I wouldn't say it's a wildly exciting update, but as it wouldn't have been fun watching me just look confused and going through line by line of writing down pages of notes on reinstalling packages and all that sort of stuff. But it's a hell of a learning curve, and kind of comes with the territory of doing something new. So yeah, many thanks to Pete Milne, who also helped with this. So terrific. Couldn't have done it without him. Thanks a lot.